Now we are going to do matching, which is on page number 2 of Grammarland. See, first we will read the heading. Look at these pictures. Match the letters in column A with the pictures in column B. This is A column, B, this is B column. In A column, some letters are written A, D, Y, C, J, W. In B column, there are some pictures. This is a box which is yellow in color, watch, ant, doll, car, jug. These are the pictures. First one is already done for you, A for ant. Now we are going to do second one, B for doll. This is doll. Y for yellow, yellow box is here. C for car. J for jug. W for watch. Matching we have done. You may check. A for ant, D for dog, Y for yellow, C for car, J for jug, W for watch. After matching, now we are going to do vowels and consonants. In the next questions, we have to circle the vowels and consonants. First, we should know what are vowels and consonants. We call the letters A, E, I, O, U vowels. I am repeating again. A, E, I, O, U. These letters are called vowels. We call the letters B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are called consonants. So these A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are called vowels and rest of the letters are called consonants. Fine. Now you came to know that 5 letters A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Now we are going to attempt second B part. Circle the vowels in these words. Here some words are given. You have to see the letters and you have to circle the vowels in these. You have to keep in mind that A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Now look at the first letter A. Here is A. It is vowel. P, P, L, E. P, P, L. These are not vowels. So here is E. E is a vowel. Circle these. Number 2. B, A, N, A, N, A. Again, banana is written. B is not a vowel. A is a vowel. Number 2 is B, A, N, A, N, A, banana. B is a consonant. A is a vowel. Again, N is consonant. A is vowel. N is consonant. A is vowel. Now number 3rd. E is a vowel. L is consonant. Again, E is vowel. P, H. Both are consonants. A is vowel. N and T are consonants. Number 4. H is consonant. O is a vowel. A, E, I, O, U. After O, U is also vowel. S consonant. E is vowel. Now number 5. Z consonant. E is vowel. B consonant. R consonant. A is again vowel. Number 6. F is consonant. O is vowel. R is consonant. E is vowel. S and T both are consonants. Number 7. C is consonant. O is vowel. U is vowel. N is consonant. P, R, Y, all these letters are consonants. Number 8. U is a vowel. M consonant. B, R both are consonants. E is a vowel. LF consonant. Again, A is a vowel. You have to circle all these vowels in these words. Now we are going to do C part. In this part, you have to circle the consonants in these words. Again, some words are given. You have to circle the consonants, not vowels. You have to leave the vowels. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. In these words, you will not circle vowels. You will circle only consonants. So, we will leave vowels and circle only consonants. E is a vowel. Then circle N. It's consonant. G is consonant. I is a vowel. N is consonant. E is again vowel. Number 2. Here F is consonant. R is consonant. I is vowel. E is vowel. N and D. Both are consonants. Now number 3. R is consonant. I is vowel. V is consonant. E is vowel. R is consonant. Number 4. D is consonant. O is vowel. L is consonant. P is consonant. H is consonant. I is vowel. N is consonant. Number 5. B is consonant. R is consonant. O is vowel. W is consonant. N is consonant. Number 6. T is consonant. I is vowel. G is consonant. E is vowel. R is consonant. Number 7. D is consonant. O is vowel. C is consonant. T is consonant. Again O is vowel. R is consonant. Number 8. C is consonant. R is consonant. A is vowel. Y is consonant. O is vowel. N is consonant and S is consonant. In this way we have circled the consonants. Now we are doing D part, which is given on page number 4 of your book. First we will read the heading. Look at these pictures. Write the missing vowels to complete these words. This side words are given. This side pictures are given. You have to fill missing vowels. First picture is of boy. Spelling of boy is B-O-Y, boy. O was missing in it. Now look at the picture. Second picture, it is of cup. C-P is written here. Spelling of cup is C-U-P, cup. Now look at the third picture. It is a picture of fan. Number 3, F-N is written over here. We'll fill A, F-A-N, fan. Now look at picture 4. This is a picture of hut. H-T is written here. Spelling of hut is H-U-T, hut. Number 5. Picture of jug is given. You will write G-U-G, jug. Now last picture is of kite. Spelling of kite is K-I-T-E, kite. Now you have done all the fill-ups. A unit, the alphabet is complete now. If you have book, you may do on that. If you don't have, no need to worry. We will send answer keys also. You will do later. Fine. Thank you.